Hello there. In this video, you will learn how to back up your work on VMware. Remember that VMware will not save any of the files on the server, so in order to save your work, you need to export your work to a personal folder. When you connect to a server, this notification will pop up, asking for permission to share your local and portable files with the remote network. Hit the Allow button. Go to the toolbar and select the three dots to bring down a menu. After that, click on the Settings button. This will take you to the Omnissa Horizon Client settings. Once here, click on the tab that says Drive and Folder Sharing. On this tab, you will be able to see what files are shared to the Omnissa client. You can also add a shared folder or external storage unit by clicking on the Add button. This will open up your personal computer's file explorer. Here, you will see your personal files and external hard drives. Select which folder or hard drive you would like to share with the Omnissa client. After selecting your file, you will see it in the Global Sharing section. This signals that the file is being shared with the Omnissa client. You can now exit out of this page. On your home page, right-click on the Windows icon in the bottom left of the screen and open File Explorer. Under Network Locations, you will see the file that you shared. Now, you will be able to copy your work over to this file so that your work will be saved after logging out of Omnissa. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.